Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how you can customize these icons on your notification bar. So what we have to do at the first, we have to tap right here on the three dots in the right upper corner, then tap to edit buttons. And as you can see, at the first you can simply move these buttons by clicking and holding, and we can move it like that. So for example, if you want to move the location icon for the second place, you have to just make it like that. And if you want to add additional icons, one of them, for example, you want to quickly turn on and turn off this NFC model, you have to click and hold, then drag it right here. And as you can see, we are going to replace these icons, right? But if you want to still get this end-phase processing, you have to move here and then tap NFC and go with right here. Then you are able to move it by making gesture like that. And as you can see, it's very easy. Here we got also other icons. For example, we can move scan QR code and we can move it like that. Maybe we can replace like that, and then we can click done. And as you can see right now, it's changed. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya.